Hello, this is setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick. To set up your Amazon Fire TV Stick device, open the box and you will find everything you need. First, put the provided batteries inside of the remote control. Next, pick up the power receptacle. Put the large end of the USB cord into the power receptacle. Then take your Amazon Fire Stick unit, plug the small end into the Amazon Fire Stick unit. Then take your HDMI adapter, plug the Fire Stick unit into the adapter. Now, you're going to plug the Fire Stick HDMI plug into an HDMI port either on the back of your TV or on the side. Once you've done this, take your power outlet and plug it into a power source. This is step 2 of setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Now that you have already signed up for an Amazon account, you will be able to finish setting up your device. If you do not have an Amazon account, watch our How to Set Up an Amazon Account video to learn how. First, you're going to turn on your TV and change the input to the HDMI port your Fire Stick is plugged into. Then you're going to click the play button on your Fire TV remote to begin the setup process. Choose your language. Then the Fire Stick will scan for Wi-Fi access points. Find your Wi-Fi and enter the password for your Wi-Fi. Click Connect. Once the Fire Stick device has connected to your Wi-Fi access point, it will begin to check for updates and download the latest software. This process may take a few minutes. Now, you're going to sign in to your Amazon accounts. On this screen, you will head over to amazon.com/code and enter the code shown on your television. Once you click Continue, your Fire device will be registered to your Amazon account. Here you'll click Continue. Click Yes to save the Wi-Fi password. You can either enable parental controls or wait and enable them later on. Next, you're going to sync your remote to your television. Here, you will find the brand of TV that you are using in the list. Next, you're going to sync the volume buttons for your television. Click Yes once you've synced the device. And now your Fire TV remote is successfully synced. Click Get Started. On this screen, you will be able to select some of the popular services you would like to add to your Amazon Fire TV Stick. such as Disney Plus, Hulu, and more. Once you have selected the ones you would like to see, press the play button. For more help, contact us at gopioneer.com/support.